Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Smart Drive. This is your host Vishwajit. In today's episode, we are going to cover some important update about your car battery. In case you are owning a proper smart hybrid vehicle, then you need to watch this video very carefully. The first and foremost thing, when your first stock battery dies, you need to upgrade the battery with the newer one. But the question comes that whether should I go for any alternative brand or any other specification in the same brand. So we are going for the technical specification here. Our car is smart hybrid vehicle, which is the mild hybrid version which supports, that is the torque assist system is available in the car. The support of the engine is very much crucial thing, and the car should discharge the electricity at maximum power at every instance. So the thing comes here is the torque assist, and the battery capacity depends on that. So here we are talking about DIN 70 battery. So DIN 70 is the 70 ampere hour battery, which is slightly higher than what we really get in other cars, which is 65 Ah. So 70, why 70? These 5 extra ampere hours are for city or urban area. Yes, in the city or urban areas, we find that the torque assist is most needed. So these 5 ampere hours are very much needed in the city area. The second most important thing is auto start and stop system. All the smart hybrid vehicle owners have experienced that their cars get stopped on the signals itself, and when they are pressing the clutch once again, the engine starts automatically. So this is the auto start and stop function. We have covered lots of features available in these videos. In case you haven't watched it, please watch them carefully to get the full features. Also, this auto start and stop function is playing the crucial role with the battery. The normal car battery starts on an average 750 to 1000 times in a year, but the car having the auto start and stop function starts almost 17,000 times in a year. So this is a drastic change and keeps a lot of load on the battery. We all know that the cold start is the highest probable electricity load on any car battery, but this is often getting started on any signals and all, so it is definitely going to make a huge change in battery consumption. So I definitely recommend you not to go with any other normal battery if you are having a hybrid vehicle. So we definitely recommend you to go for stock specification batteries only. So right now in my Ciaz RS version, we have smart hybrid vehicle, and here we have Exide Conservo DIN 70, which is ISS approved battery, and it has a specific logo of auto start and stop, which is also visible in the dashboard while the car gets stopped on the signals. So it is highly recommended you to go with the Exide Conservo DIN 70 ISS battery only. Now the third most important parameter, the battery life. We almost agreed that the Conservo is not providing enough battery life what we are getting in the normal batteries, but I definitely recommend you to go for ISS battery only because you have paid a lot money for the smart hybrid feature, and if you are going for the normal battery, it will die more frequently than the ISS battery. So we have a good news that first it was a 1 year warranty on Exide Conservo, but now it is 2 years warranty. So you will definitely get a larger and longer span. They have researched on this battery and they have updated something which is very much crucial for longer lives of the battery. So this was the quick glance about changing the smart hybrid vehicle battery, and we will definitely come with the another new ultimate upgrades for you. In case you have missed our special episodes on ultimate upgrades, the links are available in the description. Thanks for watching. This is Vishwajit signing off from Smart Drive.